Hello everyone, in today's video, let's talk about the best SteelSeries Apex 3 best setting. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually get the SteelSeries software for your devices. And the first thing that I recommend is turning off the illumination right here, because some players reported that turning on the illumination can actually put a little input lag. So if you want to eliminate that, make sure to turn off illumination. From there, let's navigate through the update firmware. If you see this message right here, critical update, click to install new firmware. You just want to make sure that you have installed the latest firmware so it will actually be compatible and be updated, making sure that it has no bugs and glitches within our hardware. Now, the third option is going to be on the actuation. You just want to make sure that it is set to 0.1. Of course, you have to get used to this, but as of the moment, this is the best setting possible for our keyboard. So that's basically it in today's video. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.